Friends, welcome to Prakash Tarot Card Reader. Thanks for taking your time out and watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Prakash Tarot Card Reader. So, this reading is about China and China plus Hong Kong, because Hong Kong has been pushing China for its full and complete independence, and so many things are happening there in Hong Kong. So this reading is for that also, and for uh, China, because I had heard on YouTube that so many astrologers had said that China will break into pieces in coming years. So thought of checking whether it will really break into pieces through tarot cards. Before moving ahead, just one sincere request. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, and also do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will get all the future notifications of my videos. Now, coming back to reading. Present. Looks like star card. Looks like this pandemic like situation has not affected China much. Now, period till 31st December. Five of Wands. People are fighting. So, not a very good situation in coming months for China as a country. Lots of issues and problems are going to arise. And I would like to tell you that after this video, I'll be posting one more video which will be on China Taiwan relationship and China US relationship. Then you will understand what exactly is the problem, why this card came. So that is a kind of part 2 for this. Then for period 2021 to 2023, this is Wheel of Fortune card. So this clearly suggests that a turnaround, whatever is going to happen here, complete turnaround here. What kind of turnaround? This is economic boost. Now, will China break into pieces, say 3 pieces, 4 pieces in next 3 to 5 years? No, Hangman card. It will not happen. No. Now, what will happen then? See, look at this card. There certainly will be a kind of rebellion in China. People are going to rebel, but Chinese people will just thrash them. They will fight and they will thrash them, and they will keep their territorial integrity impact. So I don't see any breaking of China into 2 or 3 or say 4 pieces, like said by lots of astrologers. So again, this is the card, Chariot card. China is going to be in total control. And one more thing, which you are hearing it first on this channel, is that Xi Jinping will going to nominate someone as his successor in coming years. In next 2-3 years, Xi Jinping will certainly nominate a young person as his heir. Now, China Hong Kong relationship. Will China give complete independence to Hong Kong? Before this China Hong Kong reading, also I would like to tell you that in the description area I'll be posting a link of my most successful and best predictions, which you can go through. You can check out the accuracy. They must be around or more than 50. And also I'll post a play in description area link of my best tarot reading predictions, which are approximately 100 or more than 100. So you can also check out those predictions and go through the accuracy of my predictions. Now, Hong Kong, China. Looking at these cards, I can see something very good is happening. Now Hong Kong will come back to normalcy after so many protests. So here I can see Hong Kong starting afresh. Means after so much protest and all, normalcy will take place, a kind of new start again. But are they going to get full independence, full and complete independence? So this card suggests that no, not. But certainly China will show them some kind of lollipop. Certainly, because it's a magician card here. It might China might give them some kind of autonomy, which will make them feel like, oh yeah, we have got independence, this and that, celebrations, happiness. But no, that will be only a kind of lollipop, nothing else. Because whenever magician appears in the spread, there is some kind of hidden agenda which does not appear at the front, but there is always a hidden agenda, and that's what I can see here. So to stop the protests in Hong Kong, to keep the people quiet, Chinese government will give some kind of lollipop, but they will be in control in some or the other way of Hong Kong. That is for sure. Now here, look at these two cards. Hong Kong people will certainly feel that, oh yes, we have got the independence, but it will not be the case. So that's it. Hope you like the reading. Thank you very much.